Tying off loose ends. There are several ways we can tie off all these little bits and pieces we have left over after completing our work. So you can sew it in various ways. I like to make sure that it's nice and firm. So I might do a lock stitch. It locks it in. Pull it nice and tight. Make sure it doesn't pull the work on the right side. And then you can just cut it off. Yeah. If you've got two threads close together, sometimes I just tie them in a knot. Just tie a firm knot like this. Have a look on the other side. It's all is well, not showing through. And just cut it off like that. Another way is with a smaller hook. Sometimes I just pull it through back here. You can just crochet it in like this. Pull it through. If you're not happy with that, you can do another one. Just make sure you don't go right through to the other side. You don't want it to show on the front of your work. Here we go. Just cut it off. Here we go. And another way to tie off loose ends, I quite often do this, depends what yarn you're working with, to split it. Right. And just tie a firm knot. There we go. And just cut it off. Oops. It's not going to show on the other side, on your front, so there's just another way of tying off a loose end. Here's the finished top. It's not one of my original designs. It's for a friend of mine. She found it on Pinterest. She found the photo on Pinterest and she thought it looked just great. So I just added my edging on the bottom. I love picot finish, picot stitch finish. It's made of cotton and it's beautiful for summer, spring, summer, fresh, cool. Here we go.